So if you guys follow us on Facebook, you know that I posted just the other day about we're growing again. We're moving into another space twice the size that we currently have. We actually took a shipment in here this morning from FedEx. So this room, as we walk in from the hall, will be our shipping and receiving areas. So along this wall over here, we'll have the workbench, all of our racks of boxes, poly mailers, all that fun jazz. This side, we're going to have tables in our photo booth for inbound stuff. We'll have racking down here by the door for our outgoing packages, for our lovely UPS and mailman. Leading into here, as you can see, this room has a little bit of a window in there. This is going to be our break room. So we've been moving our refrigerator, our cooking equipment, our table, the couch that we have that's been buried now for the last few months. We'll set up the TV in here, kind of a break and relaxation room, especially with Caden, being here for school. We have to have a spot for him to separate school from break. In this office here is where we will have desks, Kathy, myself, and Caden. I very seldom am at my desk, so that this room looks kind of small, but it's no different than the room we have now in the other place with the 3 desks in it. Kathy primarily works out of her other job's office. When she comes over here, she sits at the desk every now and then, but it's mostly out in the bigger room processing inventory. So in here will be all of our online inventory. We'll put all the racking that you see in the big room when we do the other videos. That'll all be in here with the same shelving system, same boxes, documenting where everything's at, so that we separate it from the new space we're getting in addition to this, that's going to allow us to do a couple different concepts. And that's behind this door. So this big giant room that we are lucky enough to have an outside entrance to will be an area that we will be doing warehouse sales, a bins concept. We won't be open every day. We'll be open like random weekends out of the month that we'll have various sales going on in here. So this big giant space gives us the space to do a dump bin full of stuff everything's $1 or $5 and let people dig through. The same concept we used to do at the flea market and took off pretty well. We've seen others have success in similar type stores. And lastly, there's one other office space over here. This will probably end up being overflow and storage for some of the displays and everything else we have for out here, depending on what we're setting up. This large room also gives us the option to do like Facebook live auctions, YouTube live auctions, more unboxing videos without having to move 2,500 things out of our way to be able to do the video. So as you can see, here we grow again. This is double the space we have. Looking forward to getting it all set up and getting you guys another video with all of it laid out, all of our equipment in place, so that you can see our new operation. All right, hustlers, get out there and go do